Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Reolink Argus Pro to the Reolink app. And to begin, you'll need to download and open this app. Right here you can log in to save the camera on a specific account, or click on this plus button without logging in. Now the QR code scanner should show up. You can see the QR code on the back of your camera. And now I just scanned it. Here we need to go with Wi-Fi not configured. And now we need to make sure that the camera is powered on. And I would recommend opening the left slot where the SD card is. Take something thin like a needle, or preferably the phone needle, and stick it in the reset gap and hold it until the device performs a factory reset.
Factory reset succeeded.
When it's done, close the lid. You can also insert a SD card right now.
Camera has been started up. Please run Reolink App, add the camera, and set it up.
And now we just need to set it up. So go
Please
through the
run
next
Reolink
step.
App, add the camera, and set it up.
Here, enter the password for the Wi-Fi, and make sure to use 2.4 as it's the best network for this kind of
Please run
devices.
Reolink App, add the camera, and set it up.
Now click on Scan Now. You will see the QR code, and you need to scan this QR code right here with a camera. So show it to the camera.
Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
Now wait till
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
wait till you hear
Connection to the
this
router
sounds,
succeeded.
and
Welcome to Reolink.
and now just move through the next steps. And then just wait till this is done. Set up the password. It needs to be at least 6 digits as far as I know. And then click next. Enter the name for your camera. Here, read this information if you care about the lifetime of this camera, and make sure to apply all the preventions for this to happen to your camera. So just move through the next step and the finish, and here's the camera added to your app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.